What's good YouTube? It's your boy Press and that's what dude. And I'm back today with another video. Well guys, I'm just chilling in the road, just enjoying my bag, my chips, you know what I'm saying? I can say it's a solo date or something. It's not a solo date. Yeah, let me say it's a solo date, but it's not the proper one. Like I was really clever. I was really craving for a burger, so I was like, yeah, why can't I just go to the Burger Kings and like enjoy myself there, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. So yeah, chill with me guys, eat with me, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk now, let's chat. But yeah guys, I just want to take this time to thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing to my YouTube. Keep on subscribing, man. Keep on liking, keep on sharing, keep on watching my videos. If you have videos that you want me to do, just tell me in the comment section. Just hit my DM on Instagram or wherever, man. Yeah. But you guys, I really appreciate you. Imagine starting from 1 subscriber, even from 0 subscriber to 3 something, like now we are sitting on 350. Yo guys, I really appreciate you. Keep on supporting me, man. Keep on watching videos, keep on subscribing, man. We wanna reach 400 subscribers by this month end. The month end of, we are in April, May. The month end of May, we wanna reach 400 subscribers, man. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I'm not really a big fan of Burger Kings. So yeah, what's the use of this one? I don't know what the use of it. Those who know Burger Kings that much, please come through and help me. I only know tomato sauce and the mayo. Where do I put it? In the burger, or the chips? I don't know. Help me, man. Try to put it in the bed and see. So guys, tell me what videos do you really like? What content do you really want me to shoot? I can try, man. I can make it for you. What content suggestions do you have? Like, what do you think I should do? Like, for me to reach like more audience, for more people like to watch my videos. those who know like more about YouTube, those who know like the type of content that people need, just tell me, man. Yeah, we can make it happen, man. Pranks, what? Just tell me. We can try to make it happen. And I think KFC is better than Burger King. Or maybe I just order something which is not good, I don't know. But yeah, this one is not tasting nice. It smells really nice. Yo, I don't know, maybe I'm not used to it, but yo. So guys, I am full now, yo. I am full. Now I'm just gonna go home and back, and then I will run to work. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please continue to like, comment, and share my content. Yeah, man, this was just like a junkie solo date, crusty solo date, you know. I say that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna request Uber. Yeah, man. Then yeah, I'll go to my crib, but it's not that far. I mean, it's just that I have some things that I'm carrying. They're so heavy for me, like to walk in them. But yeah, I'm just gonna do Uber, and then yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I'll keep on talking to you. I'll keep on communicating with you. Peace out. So yeah, guys, yeah, we're still chilling. I'm waiting for my Uber driver. Now. We're still chilling, man. I did not even bath, man. Yo.